Now till now you have seen quadratic equation where there were real coefficients and real roots. But now we will take some examples in cases where the roots are not simple but they are complex. What I mean by complex is that you will have to use iota, okay, or the complex numbers stuff that we learned in some of the earlier videos to solve these quadratic equation. To remind you, a quadratic equation is an equation in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, and we know that a quadratic equation has two roots, right? Now if these roots were real, that is something which you have learnt in your previous classes. What I am going to take up now is if these roots are complex. So let's say if I tell you solve the following equation by factorization method. Okay, and you're given 4x squared plus 25 is equal to 0. Now if I ask you, can you find out two values of x? Okay, which will be the root of this particular equation? If you try to solve this, what do you get? You get 4x squared is equal to minus 25. X squared is equal to minus 25 by 4, or you can write this as x squared is equal to minus 1 times 25 divided by 4. But minus 1 we know is what? Iota square. So I can just simply write this as 25 iota square by 4. Right? Or x is equal to square root of 25 iota square by 4. Okay, and this square root can be plus 5i by 2. Why? Because 25 iota square can be written as 5 iota, or this can be minus 5 by 2 iota. So this was one direct method of solving it, but you have been told that you have to find it out by factorization method only. So how do I do that? If you are given 4x squared, can I write plus 25 as minus, okay, 1 into minus 25? Does it make a difference? No. Or 4x squared minus 25 minus 1 is what? Iota square is equal to 0. Or I can write this as 2x whole square minus 5 iota whole square is equal to 0. Now this becomes something like a square minus b square. And we all know what does that mean? It means a, which is 2x over here, minus 5 iota into 2x plus 5 iota is equal to 0. Now you've got two values over here. Can you solve them for x? So 2x minus 5i is equal to 0, right? Which implies that x is equal to what? Take this to the other side, 5 iota divided by 2, which is nothing but this value. Similarly, if you solve the other equation, 2x plus 5 iota is equal to 0. 2x is equal to, take this to the other side, minus 5 iota, or x is equal to minus 5 by 2 iota, which is the second value that you've got. So this is only in cases where you cannot solve these regular things directly, right?